In this module of the Microsoft Teams tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to record a meeting in Microsoft Teams. I'm in Microsoft Teams and I have this team called Distance Education. Under Distance Education, I have these various channels here, so I can go to either one of those channels. And let's say under Course Development, at this point I want to schedule a meeting. So I click here on Meet and click on Join Now. At this point, I can invite attendees by sending them a link to the meeting, or I can invite participants by simply selecting them from here as part of my team and then request them to join. Let's assume that they joined, and then I have the video webcams here as part of the team collaboration. Now notice 3 dots here, More Actions, click on it, and then scroll down, and then click on Start Recording. Notice that there is the red button here, and it has started the recording. To stop it, we go under More, and then we select Stop Recording. The link to the recording, once it's done, it will appear in the chat area of our meeting. If you scheduled your meeting from the calendar option within Teams, the recording will show up with the meeting details. However, we didn't do it through the calendar option, we did it through Teams option over here. So the link, you'd have to send it to the attendees, or it will be as part of the chat option as you saw earlier.